This is a quick video of the placement of the 17,000 BTU. It's a 17,000 V. It's a 17,000 BTU variable speed or variable capacity self-contained unit that I'm putting on 28 Bertram, running through the inverter. So first thing I started with, since the unit is mounted in the brow of the boat, what I did is I have some insulation around the drain pan of the unit. Apart from that, before getting it in place, I've already put the drains in place, so the fittings are located. I have the blower that I already rotated 90 degrees. Since the blower is comes out of the box facing the same way the hoses go, so it comes facing forward, rotate it so it goes up, so that I can just stick the plenum right on it. And then I'll go inside and show where the unit's going to go, and then I'll do a little a video after it's in place. So I'm here in the cabin of the 28. I have this little step stool to help me look up there a little bit so you can see over here. This is actually where the unit's located. The unit gets stuck up this way. Here I insulated so that I would reduce the heat in this area. So that's how the vents are located. You can see the two vents for the helm. So I have my Y over here, unit gets put up over here, sticks right here, gets secured down. I have drain 1, drain 2, and then I have water out because I have the red on this one, water in because I have the blue on that one. And then on the starboard side, I added a venturi to it. So you'll see the little hose back over here, just so I wouldn't have to run the two drain lines and just to play with some different things. But let's not get into that. That's not necessary. You could just run the drain lines or run a singular drain line depending on, but I wanted to have it on both sides since the unit's mounted sideways. And this boat has a tendency to list one way or the other way, just due to the narrow beam. So this is what we're looking at, and then I'll show you once we have the unit in place. So I have the box in place, 17,000 BTU unit in this 28 Bertram. So you can see right now I'm drawing 6.6 amps, 6.9 amps. 72 degrees instead of 70 degrees. I'm gonna max it out. I'm just gonna go to 59 degrees. Get this unit running really hard. A little bit 7 amps. And so the great thing with this unit is that if you do have a consumption that you need to, I'm gonna run the microwave or something, I don't want to overload the inverter, I can just set it. So for example, I'm gonna go to fan speed 1. So I haven't changed my set point. My set point is still 59 degrees. But you'll see that my amperage is steadily decreasing. So right now, this is a 17,000 BTU air conditioner. I'm right now at 3.7 amps. And this is talking about the AC running, compressor running, pump running, and I'm only drawing 3.7 amps. AC has not turned off yet. The compressor is still running, just maintaining the temperature in the boat. I come back over here to the air conditioner, and I go to my menu. My compressor's still on, pump is still on. So I can manually limit. So then if I go to fan speed 2, it's going to speed up a little bit more. So now I'm drawing 4.7 amps. And so as I go through the different modes, it'll just slowly increase and slowly increase bit by bit. And what this is doing is allowing me to limit amperage without having some crazy sophisticated system. It's nice and simple and easy, user intuitive for just anybody to use. And that way you can manually limit the air conditioner without fully shutting it off, still maintain a temperature that's comfortable in the cabin without putting that full cold into it, so you can run something else without overloading your inverter, without depleting your batteries too rapidly, and to give you a nice full day out on the water.